Okay, so assalamu alaikum everyone. This is our introductory video for our course, which is Candlesticks. So basically, in this course, we will be learning about the candlesticks, what the candlesticks are. Then we will be learning about their origin. After that, we will be learning about what the types of candlesticks are. Then we will be learning about the use of these types in various strategies of trading, and those types are mainly bullish, neutral, and then bearish. This is all about the course candlesticks.